Have you seen our show, The Property Game, on the Home channel, where our students share the stories and strategies and showing you that it's done? Simple, regular people doing it. Unemployed moms have done 7 deals in 6 months. Our students invest in students' accommodation, doing developments. Regular people doing it. Watch the show, get yourself inspired. Now, how do they able to do this? And some of our students didn't have any money, no job, no income, because they learn from us. And myself, Milan Milosevic, co-founder of Riches and Beyond, been doing this for many, many years, and our mentors are developers. What we did with Riches and Beyond, we partner up with top residential commercial developers, and they are mentors right now. So you also get a chance to learn how to start this journey if you don't have any money, no job, no income, bad credit. Well, there's a way that you can do it. There's 10 ways of funding apart from the banks and your own money you're going to be learning. And there's also 15 strategies that you can learn, apply, and combine. The best part is you can combine all these different ways of funding. So I would like to invite you to join us for a webinar. There's a webinar coming up. We're going to talk about more different ways how to start this journey if you're a beginner. If you have some properties not making profit with them, how to use your existing properties to buy more properties. But also, if you want to grow to that next level, if you have big dreams but you're feeling a bit stuck with your properties, how many of you like the idea to have your own development in the next 2 years? Wouldn't that be nice? This has been done before. So click on the link below and I'll see you on the other side.